Hello, in this video, let's learn how to solve this nice Olympiad exam marks question. We're asked to solve for s in x minus 4 to the power of 4 equal to x to the power of 4. We're asked to solve completely for the value of x. Now, in this unique solution, we're going to teach you how to use algebraic formulas in solving this question. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified math content. Now, from this expression, the first thing I want you to note is that we can take the expression in the right hand side to the left hand side, thereby making the right hand side to be equal to 0. And let's do just that. If we do just that, we are going to have that expression to become x minus 4 all to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 4 for both sides, then the right hand side will be equal to 0. Now, from this expression, I want you to note something, that I can expand the power of 4 into 2 multiplied by 2, right? So if I do just that, then the powers will now expand to become x minus 4 all to the power of 2, then this will be multiplied by the power of 2, and this will be minus x squared all multiplied by 2, and this will be equal to 0. Great. Now let's apply an algebraic expression. If we apply an algebraic expression, we should recall that we have a squared minus b squared. This will be equal to a difference of 2 square, a minus b, and this will be multiplied by a plus b. If we look at that expression, that's an algebraic expression, and with that algebraic expression, we can expand that expression above, because if you look at that expression, from that expression, our a can now be equal to x minus 4 all squared, right? And our b can now be equal to x squared. Now let's expand that expression. We'll have x minus 4 square, right, minus x square. That's the first expression. Then the second expression will have x minus 4 square, and the second expression is a positive sign, plus x square, and that is the second expression, and this will be equal to 0. Great. Now let's simplify further. From that expression, we can see that from another algebraic expression, if we have a minus b square, that's an algebraic formula, this can be equal to, this will give us from an algebraic expression a square, right? A square plus b square, that expansion give us a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we can use it to expand x minus 4 square. So if we do that, we are going to have that full expression to now give us, the first expression will now give us, expand that will give us x square. Remembering that from this expression, our a is equal to x and our b is equal to 4, right? So if we expand that, we'll have x squared plus b is 4 square minus 2 multiplied by x multiplied by 4. That will now be the first expression all in brackets, and this will be minus x squared. This will be closed bracket. Then we'll open the other bracket. That expression will give us x squared plus 4 squared, right, minus 2 multiplied by x multiplied by 4, right, and that will be close bracket plus x squared, and all these will be equal to 0. Great. Now we're going to expand that expression. It's a large one indeed. So if we expand that expression, we'll have that expression to now give us x squared plus 16. 4 squared will give us 16 minus this will give us 8x, right? And this will be minus x squared. Expand the second one, we'll have x squared plus 16 minus 8x plus x squared, and all these will be equal to 0. Simplifying this expression, you find out that x squared will cancel out x squared, right? Because we'll have a negative sign. And on that end, we're going to have 16 minus 8x. And on this end, we'll have x squared plus x squared will give us 2x squared, right? Plus 16 minus 8x, and all this will be equal to 0. This is going to give us a zero product rule, and from that zero product rule, we can simply break out this expression. So if we break out that expression, we can have 16 minus 8x to be equal to 0. And we'll also have 2x, which is same to a quadratic equation, minus 8x plus 16 will be equal to 0. From the left-hand side expression, we can find out that we can simplify for the value of x. Minus 8 will be equal to negative 16, right? Divide both sides by negative 8. If we divide both sides by negative 8, we are going to find out that negative 8 will cancel out negative 8, and then the value of our s will now be equal to negative 16 divided by negative 8 will give us 2. So the value of our x, the first value of our x, x1, is equal to 2. Now, what do we do next? We are going to simplify this other quadratic expression by dividing both sides all through by 2. If we divide all through by 2, we can make that expression easy to solve quadratically. Dividing by 2, that expression will now give us x squared minus 4x plus 16, and this will be equal to 0. Comparing this to the quadratic expression, we'll have ax squared plus bx minus c equal to 0. From that expression, our a is equal to 1, our b is equal to negative 4, and then our c is equal to 16. So what do we do from that end? From that end, we'll use quadratic expression to solve. So the value of our x will be equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a, right? So inserting all those expressions, the value of our s will be equal to negative multiplied by negative 4, right? Multiplying plus or minus the square root of negative 4, right? Minus 4 multiply 1 multiplying 16, and all of these will be divided by 2 multiplying by a, which is 1. So the value of our s will be equal to negative times negative will give us 4 plus or minus the square root of minus 4 square is going to give us 16 minus 4 times 16 is going to give us 32, right? That will give us 32, and all of these will be divided by 2. So if we simplify this, we'll have our s to be equal to 4 plus or minus the square root of 16 minus 32 will give us a negative 16, right? So we'll have a negative 16 divided by 2. With the laws of indices, we can break up that. That will give us x equal to 4 plus or minus the square root of 16 multiplying the negative 1, right? And all of these will be equal to divided by 2. Now recall that negative 1 can be equal to I, complex number I, right? So if we have the negative 1 can give us the complex number I or j, depends on what you call it. So we'll have our x to be equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 4 for 16 will give us 4 what? 4 j, and all of these will be divided by 2. So if we simplify that expression, our x will be equal to 2 is common, we'll bring out 2. We'll have 2 plus or minus 2 j, and all of these will be divided by 2. If we simplify this expression, we're now going to have the value of our x to be equal to y2 cancel out 2. The value of our x will be equal to 2 plus or minus 2j, and that remains the solution, which is a complex number to that expression given to us up there. So from this expression, we can now find out that the solutions to this question above is the first expression, x1 is equal to 2, and then x2 is equal to 2 plus 2j, and then we'll have x3 to be equal to 2 minus what? 2j, and all these are the values of x that satisfies that expression given to us up there. I know you did enjoy watching this math solution. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified math content. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.